So one of the issues we see in enterprises today is just value leaks, and this is what sort of hinders adoption or people don't consider during adoption. And one of the issues that we pick up quite often is just shadow AI, and that's part of what we want to talk about. So employees use personal ChatGPTs, Claude subscriptions, Gemini all over the place, and because the internal tools are either too slow or there's just tool sprawl everywhere. So your IT department and your security department's playing blindfolded whack-a-mole to get people to do things the right way, and that's what the platform helps you enable. The other component in terms of tool sprawl is everybody's got existing vendors internally and everybody claims they're doing AI internally. So you've got your many big names in here, which I won't call out, but everybody's building some AI tool and everybody sells exactly the same thing. So you've got 10 tools that are doing the same thing that no one's adopting or that you don't have visibility on just to say that you're doing AI. Pilot churn is quite a big issue as well. Andre mentions that in the beginning. It's just demos look great in conference rooms. We tick a box on the CIO's checklist for the KPI for the year. But when you start integrating into the larger enterprise, it just doesn't scale. Probably because it was built on a single VM without underlying infrastructure. Research also brings up an additional component which we like to benchmark ourselves against. Is just we see skill set being quite a big component in AI adoption. And one of the components that they mention is that young people are being encouraged to teach, I want to say older people, or technically challenged people, how to use Gen AI. But the problem with that is you create these novice traps. And with novice traps, younger people don't have the experience in the business and they try to create sort of human workarounds instead of trying to redesign the solution or redesign the processes. These value leaks are one of the big things, or the 4 big things that we see in terms of why POCs or why pilots fail. And our component is that it's not to fix or to wait for better models, it's to build better platforms.